Warning, the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ow, what the
This is MTV Loving My Crib.
I guess it wants us to grease up in here.
I can just do it.
Well, it's no, like in here, because then it says it wants like a ring or something. Ring? Yeah. I don't know. That's what's because there's
Yeah, that ring.
that thing, yeah, that. Yeah. I think that's what it wants next. This part.
We're just following what the book says, but that shit written in German, so I don't know what they're saying.
Something about sliding.
A German guy. They're coming today.
A German guy. Maybe it goes this way? I think that's supposed to go into there. How the fuck do you get this in here? Or does this not go in here yet? Does it not go in here yet?
Nah, but I think
Alright.
that one goes after.
Dude, look at that. Right there, like that. Just like that. Done. Easy. That don't look right. I feel like they don't give you enough grease.
Never do.
They're like, we want your shit to be squeaky. We want you to come back. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see. So, that goes that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is scary. There we go. Oh, come on now.
Special tool.
Specialty tool? How do you say? You think I should pull it down?
Yeah.
Huh? No. Ooh. Is this really for this? Let's see. Pin is there and there.
Make sure it's center.
Okay.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. Huh? What? May I help you?
Okay, so now that Dante moved his face out of the way, we can look at this and see that it has pretty colors. And it's all set up. Very exciting. Such excellent mechanical skills over here.
Well, we got the collection, so now all we gotta do is start playing around with some trannies and get it all hooked back up. That's kind of easy for being a German car. But cool.
Didn't take that long.
It didn't. Yeah, it really didn't take that long. So that's kind of nice.
Pretty straightforward.
Ooh, that's gross in there. All right, cool.
get
Sick.
on it.
All right. because then we're not gonna clear the fucking wall. Hey, where's Saeed? We need that video that he has on his phone so we can like watch it backwards. So figure out how to put it in. I'm about to get hit here. Cool. All right, it's back in. We got the starter in. We got actually just the starter in. The linkages connected up again. Now all we gotta do, when we've hammered this plate back out a little bit, just gotta find some bolts to go in there. Yeah, or not, we'll see. But yeah, next step is put the axles back in and adjust the clutch and shit like that. And then we're good. Sweet. So we got 2 new axles. One of them came as like a complete set. The other one, I don't know if it like came broken in shipping or they just didn't do it. But then all these balls are rolling around everywhere, so we had to basically reassemble this outer outer CV joint, outer ring. Luckily, it tells you how to do it in the book. That shit's still kind of complicated, but yeah, so now we're just gonna put it back on and slap these axles in and going. Oh shit, line this holds it. Yeah. Oh shit, no, you're like, no. I was like, wow. It's off? Oops.
There we go. Now top it. We use some rubber glue.
Oh. It's ready? Okay, hold on 1 second. Do you want just the bolts or you want... It's supposed to be 6, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can count.
Do you have the plates?
The what? Oh, we should probably clean those first.
Oh, you're using this?
Yeah.
Oh, then give me the ones.
They only come with 3 new ones. I was gonna read the old ones. Hold on, time out, we gotta clean. So, what we did was we had to reuse these. What? I don't even know, they're like retaining clips for the axles or whatever, axle bolts.
Yeah.
Said. Cool. So now we got our grease bag. And then we gotta put it in. Is this the right one?
Yeah.
It's a long one. In these little pocket here. So that's where the grease goes. And then that's your tanks. You think the whole bag? Squeeze the whole bag in there?
Some.
Fuck
and
yeah.
then-
Some? Oh my bad. That's already like the whole bag.
And then some on this on this end right here. So you have to pretty much cover everything with that.
It's like frosting.
Exactly. It's like caking. Freaking.
Dude, fuck cars. Let's become bakers, dude. Start making some cakes.
I know.
Cakes by Double D's.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You think more?
I just
Moss?
finished the rest of it.
Oh shit.
That's good.
Delicious. All right. There's a special way that OSHA tells you to take off gloves. You gotta pinch that shit and wrap it like this, and then you ball that shit up, and then I need to clean that shit somewhere. Like I don't fucking know, but like you know, it says USA on here, 8 mil, whatever, 12 point, 24 point, 20 point. Germans love to use crazy ass fucking bolts for no reason. I mean, I think they look kind of cool. Like, I
So
wouldn't mind.
what he's saying basically, buy Japanese cars only.
I ain't not gonna say that shit. I'm just saying.
It's all about Japanese cars.
This tiny stupid thing cost $10
Yeah.
just to do this. Unnecessary. Cool. Sick. Damn, dude, that looks fresh. All right, y'all, it's late. I'm tired. She's tired. He's tired. The son looks kind of tired. But, you know, we got shit in. It's the new lower control arms. New axle. Looks pretty clean. Like it. We had an issue with this other axle, though. Let's see, here's a new control arm on this side. That, I guess they made it too short or something was going on where whenever we tightened down the axle nut, it kind of just froze up. So what we did is we used the old shaft, but with new boots and bearings and grease. So it's kind of new basically, except for the main shaft. It's rebuilt, thank you. Rebuilt. It's rebuilt. This shaft was actually a little chunkier than the new one we bought. So I kind of like that personally. But yeah. I don't know, I think it's looking pretty good. Hopefully.
It's just minor adjustments now.
Yeah, minor adjustments. Freaking axle nut, torque it down to 173 foot-pounds. Pretty sweet. And I don't know if we said this in our other videos or not. I don't watch them. I just make them. Y'all supposed to watch them. But the lug nuts, or bolts or studs, whatever these German people like to call them, 65 foot-pounds. Seems pretty light, but it's also a really small car, so I guess they don't need to be torqued down that much. All right, well, we'll see if we can do an alignment on this or not, but you know, we'll keep videoing if y'all keep watching. I mean, we'll still keep videoing if you don't watch, but yeah.
Later.
All right, y'all. We got fucking Dr. D over here. Gonna start this shit up. Hopefully it all runs. I don't know. Oh, yeah, well, that works. That works. Oh, I don't know what that did. Hold on, let me step back just in case it blows up. I said let me step back just in case it blows up. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, you're off the ground. Sick. Something's smoking, but
I think it's just all the grease that's spawning off.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, and all the cleanup that we did.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
It's spawning off.
Sick. Sweet. Well, I think we're done for the day. You look done. I don't know what you're doing. What? Music's still playing though, so we're chilling. All right, cool.
A few moments later.